Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the NETGEAR Orbi 770 series Wi-Fi mesh system, which is a tri-band setup promising blazing fast speeds, massive coverage, and support for dozens of devices. So if you are planning to upgrade your home network, you can check out the product link in the description box below for more details. So the Orbi 770 brings Wi-Fi technology offering speeds up to 11 Gbps and coverage for the homes up to 8,000 square feet with a router and two satellite units. Thanks to its tri-band design and dedicated backhaul, it's built to handle heavy traffic without slowing down, which is perfect for the smart homes packed with the devices. It also includes the 2.5 gig internet port that makes it ready for multi-gig fiber plans along with the multiple Ethernet ports for wired connections. It also backward compatible with other Wi-Fi devices, so you don't need to replace everything at once. In the real world testing, the setup through the Orbi application is very straightforward. Once connected, the mesh system provides the strong, consistent speeds across the large areas, even when moving far from the main route. Streaming 4K content, online gaming, and running multiple smart devices simultaneously felt smooth and stable. One of the standout features is the ability to support up to 100 connected devices without noticeable performance drops that makes it ideal for the larger households or the tech-heavy environments. Security is also another plus. With NETGEAR Armor built in, you are going to get added protection against the online threats and automatic firmware updates for the ongoing security. However, I would say that it is not perfect. The price point is high as compared to the Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E systems. There were occasional minor satellite hiccups requiring a quick reboot. Also, the 2.5 gig port is only fully beneficial if you actually have an ultra fast internet plan. So the question here is the NETGEAR Orbi 770 Wi-Fi 7 mesh system actually worth it? So if you need the top tier speed, wide coverage, and future-proof performance, especially in the large home, then absolutely it can be a powerful investment. But if you don't require the next generation speeds, more affordable options may suit you just fine. So to explore it further, you can just find the product link in the description. Thanks for watching.